Welcome. If you're tired of those constant Instagram shopping drops notifications popping up on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off these notifications and regain control over what appears on your phone's lock screen. Let's dive in. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is where you can customize almost everything about your device, including notifications from your apps. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list until you find Instagram. Tap on Instagram to open its app-specific settings. Here, you'll see various options related to the app, but the one we want is Notifications. Tap on Notifications to access all the notification controls for Instagram. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice different categories of alerts Instagram sends you. Look for the one labeled Shopping Drops. This is the category responsible for those promotional notifications about new product drops that appear on your lock screen. Tap on the Shopping Drops option to open its settings. Now, you'll see several choices for how these notifications are displayed. Find the setting for Lock Screen Notifications. This controls whether Instagram Shopping Drops alerts show up when your phone is locked. To stop these notifications from appearing on your lock screen, simply select Don't Show Notification. This will prevent Instagram Shopping Drops notifications from lighting up your screen when your phone is locked, but you'll still get them when you unlock your device or check Instagram directly. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram Shopping Drops notifications on your lock screen. This simple tweak helps reduce distractions and keeps your lock screen clean and focused on what matters most. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and choose to show notifications on the lock screen again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more peaceful phone experience.